How to rebuild when your network marketing team falls apart. 1. Cry if you want to. You're human. Have a good cry, get pissed and then pick yourself up and get back to work. Failure does not define who you are, it's an event. Get involved with your favorite charity or volunteer at a soup kitchen to get some perspective. You'll realize your problems are not so big. 2. Reaffirm your purpose and vision. If you've built a team, you've probably received a thank you card, message or text along your journey. Get them out and read them. When the doubter starts to creep, the cards and messages will remind you of the lives you've impacted and help reaffirm your purpose and vision. People are counting on you to get back up. 3. Stop reacting, start anticipating. Many people used to say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you did exactly the opposite and was caught off guard when your business fell apart, leaping into reaction mode. Reaction almost always leads to the blame game. It's the economy, people, lack of support. You name it, you blamed it. In order to bounce back, take a long look in the mirror. Most likely, the solution to your problem will be you looking back at you. Have a long talk with your ego and be honest about what didn't work. Then go book a party. At the end of the day, failure is part of the process that leads to success. They are one and the same. To put it another way, failure could become your biggest success. Just ask Thomas Edison, who, when asked about failure, replied, "Young man, don't you realize that I have not failed, but I have successfully discovered 6,000 ways that won't work." Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. Also, to get the future video updates, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon.